Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have May's Universal Yums. You want to see where we're going this month? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so today I just received my Universal Yums and I'm dying to see what country we're going to. Last month was my first month, and I believe with this I bought a 6-month subscription, and it says these Yums traveled all the way from a place with Gangnam Style. And oh, Gangnam Style. Ho, 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 ho. Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oh my goodness. And then with the little sticker. That is too funny. Okay, so just so you know, if you don't know, Universal Yums, you start a new adventure. Every month they give you new snacks from that particular country. So everything in here will be from one specific country that they travel to, and every month they travel to new countries. So they have 3 different snack options. They have the first one being the smallest is the Yum box for $15 with 6 snacks in every box. 12-page booklet with trivia and games, free shipping, USA only. They have the medium size, which is what I got, which is the Yum Yum box. It's $25 per box, 12 snacks in every box. Every snack that's in the first one, plus 6 additional snacks to try, a 16-page booklet with trivia and games, bonus content where there's recipes, trivias, and so much more, free shipping to the US. Then they have the Super Yum box, which is $39 with 20 snacks. So you have everything from the first 2 boxes plus 8 additional, a 20-page booklet with games and trivia, bonus content with recipes, trivia, and more, plus free shipping to the US only. So if you are interested, I will have their link down below. That'll take you to their site so you can check it out for yourself. I've already removed my address, and let's go ahead and open this up and see where we're traveling to. Gangnam Style. Whoa. Okay, so it says South Korea. Well, that is where we're going, and here are our snacks. So now, last month, again, like I said, was my very first box, and I didn't know that they actually went over all of the stuff in here in English. I was going through the snacks, trying to figure them out through the packages, which didn't do very well. So now I know to check in here. And one thing that I did think was really cool is on the back of here, it shows you all of the snacks that I have in mine, and you can rate it from the best to the second best to the worst to the weirdest. And then they also have like a puzzle solver in here, and yeah, so this is interesting, something to look at, some trivia. So let's go ahead and dive on in here. Let's see what snacks we have this month. And again, this is your Korean guidebook, and that's in here. So let's start off with going right on top, and I see a hot chili pepper, and it looks like a hot noodle. Are they hard? Sweet and spicy wheat snack. No, I just busted one. They're not hard, but that looks like a noodle, like a cooking noodle, like a pasta noodle almost. But there is that one. Let me see what this is. Now, I know one person on my last video said, what's the point of doing this box if you're not going to try them all? You guys, I'm not literally going to open every single one of these snacks just to try them. For one, my taste buds might be different than yours. Some people might have allergic reaction to certain things. Some people might not like certain things that I like. So it doesn't help if I open something and say it tastes amazing and then you taste it and it tastes different, because everybody is different. So that makes no sense. Plus, I don't want all of these just open with me just trying one of them and then they go bad because they're all open. I want to keep them fresh for when I want to enjoy them. So that being said, let me go ahead and tell you about this guy right here. This is right there on the front. This is I have no clue, a snack, a sweet and spicy wheat snack. So there's the first item. Next one is cheddar cheese kettle chips. Those actually sound really amazing. And I like hot, spicy things. I love flaming hot Cheetos. These are cheddar cheese kettle chips. South Koreans are totally obsessed with cheese. This year, they spent over $500 million on cheese imports. making their cheese market the 3rd fastest growing in the world. Holy moly. That's a whole lot of cheese. Next we have, this one is really cute. These look like Coco corn puffs. I was gonna say, it looks like that one cereal with the chocolate puffs. This is Cosmo corn, chocolate and coconut flavored corn puffs. Once I just said the word coconut, I won't be trying these because I don't like coconut. No matter how much you love chocolate or you don't, we guarantee that you have never tasted something quite like this. This light, airy puff is infused with chocolate and coconut inside and out, resulting in a totally unique product unlike any other chocolate on earth. So I will have somebody try this and they'll let me know if it's good or not. I just don't like coconut, you guys. This guy says sweet, cool, crunchy, the yum bag, full of fun. As we search the world each month for the best yums to bring to you, we often stumble over smaller finds that are big on crazy flavor but small in size. The yum bag is loaded with these discoveries. Inside this bag, there will be some yums that you'll wish there were more of, and others that you wish you've never found. But that's all part of the fun. Dig in and have a good time. There's the bag. That's funny how it says wish you had more and then some you wish you've never found. So these little guys right here, they gave you 4 of these, and this is rice candy, Momo's rice candy, rice flavored hard candy. South Korean farmers are eager to use their crops in a variety of food, no matter how unusual. When their rice is harvested in September, everyone celebrates with a 3-day public holiday. That's crazy. And I'm holding it down here. Did you see that, you guys? How do you like that? And notice I end up, my hand ends up moving. That's actually interesting. That's one thing about this. You find out interesting facts from all over the world that you would never have known. And then there's 2 of these, Tangerine Jelly. It is squishy. It says Jeju Tangerine Jelly. There is no ordinary tangerine. This bright, tangy orange hails from South Korea's island of Jeju. I see this one, so let's pull this one out. Hot chicken crunchy corn puffs, naturally flavored hot. Chicken corn puffs. There's that. This is sweet and spicy fried chicken flavored corn puffs. Contains meat. It really has chicken in there. Quick. What do Kentucky and Korea have in common? If you're stumped, look at this snack. That's flavored with real chicken and tastes exactly like fried chicken. Yep. The commonality is crispy fried chicken. The crossover might seem bizarre, but it's rooted in history. What in the world? Okay, so this I gotta open. It's something that's gonna taste like fried chicken. It smells like, it actually smells like fried chicken, like the little popcorn chicken. And then they look like that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so at first you get like a sweet, you end with a spicy, but it really freaking tastes like chicken. Oh my goodness. That tastes like chicken. That is crazy. That is actually really good. That is actually really good. Oh my goodness. Okay. Next we have, that is really good. This is Coco Hazelnut. And there's 2 of these. This says, if you were with us last time we went to South Korea, you might remember this hazelnut cream-filled wafer, which last month was my first month, so I didn't go with them to Korea last time. It was voted one of the favorites in the box. It's easy to see why, and it's crispy, creamy, and totally dreamy. There's just enough of the chocolatey wafer to house the ooey gooey goodness that's inside. It was only when we ate the last bite that we realized there's one flaw, not enough of them. So I'm actually excited to try that. That chicken thing is really good, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay. So let me keep on going. We have 2 of these. guys right here. And this is soy sauce flavored rice crackers. You're about to taste of South Korea's rich history. And when we say rich, we mean it. Back in 1500 BC, rice was used as a currency in South Korea. But don't think pennies, think $100 bills. Rice was considered such a luxury food that it was too valuable for the common people to eat, even the farmers that grew it. That's crazy. See, you get some interesting facts about that. So there are these, so that is interesting. Now, there's two of these guys. It says white torte. Since you probably weren't aware of White Day this past March, we thought you could celebrate it now with some white torte filled with desiccant white mascarpone cream filling. This treat is so delicious, you're going to have to break tradition and let both the girls and the guys enjoy it. That is so cool. I love these new things, you guys. Now, this one is a victory pie. There's that. Crown Blueberry Vic Pie. Chocolate covered cookie with blueberry jam filling. Ooh, that sounds amazing. With the name short of victory, this cookie will make you a champion. Okay, fine. We can't exactly promise that. And to be quite honest, the real victory isn't the name. It's the crumbly chocolate covered cookie anyway, in this yummy blueberry jam. Love blueberries. Okay, let's keep on going because this is getting kind of long. We have one of these sweet and sour chewy strawberry. So this is a strawberry sweet and sour chew. And let's see here. Here are almond and chocolate. These look like little sticks. So there is that. This is chocolate and almond coated biscuit sticks. That sounds amazing. Now this last item in here, I've been eyeing. These look so good, and this is probably the first thing that I'm gonna try tonight after dinner. This will be my dessert. Green tea. Look at that, you guys. Green tea. It says chocolate coated green tea cakes with marshmallow filling. This amazingness of a cocoa pie can't be contained, literally. It says best choice right on top. This one is going to be the one I'm gonna try first. So that is everything that came in this month's box. We have these that I'm so excited to try first. We have these blueberry, oh, and look at the back that shows a picture. Those I'm actually really excited to try. This is the soy sauce ones. Then here's the white chocolate. We have these that are supposed to be amazing. They could not find anything wrong with them. We have the sweet and sour chewy. We have the almond and chocolate sticks. We have those little snacks from the little bag that they had in here, and the tangerine one. We have the chocolate and coconut puffs. These look really good. I can't wait to try those. Flaming hot wheat things. And let's not forget about these popcorn chicken snack, because oh my goodness, you guys, that is like popcorn chicken in my mouth. Okay, you guys, I honestly feel this box was better than last month's. Last month's there was some stuff in there that I really enjoyed, and there was some stuff in there that I really did not like. This box looks way better. Looks like it's filled with a lot more things that I definitely will enjoy, and I can't wait to try them out. But again, if you want to check them out, the link will be down below. They have the 3 different tiers. So this box is the middle one. So if you got the smaller one, you would have 6 of these. I think it was 6, right? Yes, you would have 6 of these snacks. And then my box, I have 12 total. So this is amazing. South Korea, Gangnam style. Whoop, 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 whoop. Gangnam style. So thank you so much for tuning in and watching this crazy video. I know I'm all over the place today, but thank you so much for tuning in, and go ahead and comment down below. Do you think this box was better than last month? Do you get this box? Would you like to get this box? Honestly, I do believe this was better than last month. I'm serious. These little those are so good. Those are so good. I'm gonna go have my man try them right now and see what he thinks, because that's the only one that I opened this time. But I definitely want to try out the green tea ones tonight. That looks so good. So again, comment down below. Let me know, you guys. Your positive interaction means the world to me. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.